Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are going to get some work done on the Golf. I have already gotten a head start putting it up on jack stands. Today, we're going to test fit the bumper. We're just going to go ahead and install the headlights. We've got to put the new headlight guide piece in anyways, so we may as well just fit the things. So what we're going to cover today is removing this front bumper cover, test fitting the new one, and installing the new LED headlights. Take off the grill, a bunch of screws. Let me get my torch bit. Take the grill off first. Oh, there it goes. Whole handful more screws. Now we're going to have 2 screws here. 1 and 2. Bumper is off. Nuts. We're replacing that piece. Alright. Terrific. Good deal. Okay. So this whole headlight is smoked. Let's go ahead and unbolt this driver's side headlamp that's in good shape. There it is. Slide this out. Should. Okay. Boom. New headlight is in. Nice and sturdy, eh? So to replace this bracket the rest of the way, we just need to go ahead and screw. Okay, sturdy. Slide our headlamp, connect it, click, into place. And hopefully everything will fit alright. And just make sure everything's looking fresh. Alright, Golf R conversion bumper, kind of fitted. Let's talk about this. For starters, you have to remove some stuff to make this work. This is what they won't tell you. Euro and NA cars are different. Foam piece, it's got to go, otherwise it won't fit. So that leaves you with this. Floppy crapola. The other item that sucks that they don't tell you about is under here. The bumper doesn't have anything to connect to, and that's dumb. The other thing, and here, I'll even turn a light on for you because you guys need to see this. Ah, that doesn't fit, does it? So, what are our options here? But the fit up's not good. On the other side, where the fender is not janked up, the fit up is not better. I can't get this to clip in, and this angle is bad. I'm going to try and adjust that, make it better, but we're going to play with this a little bit and we'll see what we get. So, in the interim, while I'm trying to figure out what to do, we're going to fix this, or at least try to real quick. So we got 2 broken pieces on this bumper guide on my Golf. This is for the stock bumper, because I'm thinking we're going to send this other one back. Anyways, let's try to... Oh yeah. So I bought a plastic welding kit so we can zip together our shaved bumper on the Mark III. So we're going to test it out in this unit. I mean, that got hot pretty fast, honestly. I'm going to be honest with you, that feels pretty darn sturdy now. Fixed. Look at that. I think we need to do one more right there. We're just going to come over here. Buzz that guy right in there. Wow, look at that. That worked amazing. Oh yeah, that's better. Done deal. Overall, really happy with that. Let's go make sure it still fits. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Aftermarket bumper, not going on, not doing it. It ain't worth it. Well, that wasn't the ending anybody was hoping for, but looks like we're going to keep the stock bumper, dinged up hood, and the fender on. If I find a used fender and a used hood in silver, I'll buy it. In the interim, the hell with it. It's just an everyday car. I really don't care. So there we go. No bonus parts this time, guys. Sorry. This was not a real project, but I'll catch you in the next one. Whoop!